Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. And I bust open a 1989 Topps pack today. Let's see what we got. I forget whose video I was watching, but I was watching somebody's video where they actually ate this gum. They're not to crack their teeth or what. Alright, we got Alan Trammell, very solid player. Got Andres Colorado. Got Gary Ward, Jack Clark on the Yankees, Terry Kennedy, Tom Foley, Dave Magadan, Mike Felder, Wayne Tollison, Crime Dog, Fred McGriff, Pete Stanachek, Mike LaValliere, Dwight Evans, Gene Nelson, and Jose Bautista. Thanks, everyone.